birthday cake.
Now fast.
I live in Chanakli. Today I will conduct City Vocal Assembly. I would like to call Manya Morning Prayer. Then everyone, take your position. Let to God. Let to think. To live. Enact to walk. Sorry walk. To fight. Enact to sing. To buy fight. And fight. For the sake. To the love. And to love. Even to. To me. So that one day an evening body of the law and my country. I like to call Didi for Hindi dance. Odd. Friends everyone, take your oath for this. I am honest. I also have very high self-esteem. I promise to myself as per good food habits. I wash my hands before eating. I serve food to myself. I help mom in the kitchen. I never leave food in the plate. I rinse the plate, then keep it for washing. I always cover food with neat as per good housekeeping. I make my own bed, especially in the morning. I post dirty clothes separately for washing and try to wash them also. I wash my undergarments by myself. I put shoes, socks, books, etc. properly. I clean the house and toilet. Sometimes I not fight with my brother and sister, and we love them a lot. As regard to study, I respect my teacher. I do a little study. I finish my daily homework. I study on my own for good span of time. I stay away from social levels. I never lie to my parents and teachers. I'm proud of my family, including my school. They put a great effort for my education. I fulfill their and my dream. Most importantly, I become a good human being and build a stronger nation. Thanks mom, dad and teachers for everything. Jai Hind. Then let's to call XAVIER was in the line. Thanks everyone. You asked मेरा नाम है नव्या। मैं आज सभी के साथ एक कविता सुनाने जा रही हूँ। थोड़ा सीखना सबके मन को भाती है। परफ्यूम तब आती है, हर यहाँ जाती है। ताजा न जाती, बच्चा मेरा जाती है। ताजा कन्या गाती, सबके दिल को भाती है। मैं लड्डू कौन? अनु was in the line. Hello everyone. I am NURSERY from NURSERY. Today I will write in this world. Johnny, Johnny, get Papa. Eating sugar, no Papa. Telling no, no Papa. Open your mouth, aha. Thank you.